In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record startup costs in QuickBooks Online. If you're getting your business off the ground, capturing those early expenses clearly will make your books cleaner and your reports more useful. We'll set up the right place to track the costs and then record them in a way that keeps everything organized and easy to find later. First, head to your chart of accounts. This is the master list of all the buckets your transactions land in. You're going to create a new expense account so your startup costs don't get mixed in with unrelated spending. Give the account a name that matches what the spending is for, like startup expenses or office expenses. The goal is to make it obvious, at a glance, what belongs there so you can quickly pull totals and understand where your money went during the setup phase. When you create the account, choose the account type of expenses. This tells QuickBooks how to treat the transactions on your financial reports. Then pick a detail type that best aligns with the nature of these costs. The detail type helps categorize the account more specifically inside QuickBooks, so select the one that most closely fits your situation. If you're undecided, choose the option that best reflects how you want to view these costs on your reports, and be consistent going forward. Now you're ready to record the spending. One straightforward way is to click New at the top left and select Expense. Use the expense form you're familiar with, and make sure you include the expense account you just created so the transaction lands in the right place. This keeps your startup costs grouped together and ensures they'll show up correctly on your profit and loss. If you prefer, you can record the spending directly from the chart of accounts. Open the account you just created and manually add the transaction there. This approach can be handy if you're reviewing that specific account and want to keep everything in one view. Whether you use the expense form or add it directly from the account, the key is to consistently apply the same account so your totals remain accurate. That's all you need to do. Set up a clear expense account, choose an appropriate detail type, and record each cost using that account every time. Keep your naming consistent, double-check entries for accuracy, and you'll have clean, reliable startup cost tracking that supports better decisions and smoother reporting as your business grows.